Yes, okay. Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing?
Yeah, very good afternoon. Yes, I'm doing well. How about you?
Yes, I am also fantastic. Thank you for asking me. Actually, I had been trying to connect with you since many days. Now I get this chance because I am very excited to talk with you. So, sir,
Yeah,
thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
thank you too also because I also, I'm also very excited to talk with you. Last long days we both are trying to connect with each other, but due to some problem, some
Yes,
issues, we were unable to connect. But finally we connected. Yes, I'm very happy today.
yes, sir. So we are meeting first time. So may I know something about yourself?
Yeah, sure, why not? Thanks for asking. My name is Gendukumar. I'm from Jharkhand. If I talk about my education, I am pursuing graduation. There are six members in my family. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker. I have three sisters. If I talk about my hobbies, I like reading, writing, talking with others, playing, or traveling. That's all, miss.
Yes, that's great. You know, whatever is are your hobby, that's also like me. So now I am going to introduce myself. So
Yeah, yeah, sure.
my name is Chandrakala Verma. I am from Chhattisgarh. As far as my studies concerned, I am pursuing graduation. Nowadays, my exams is going on, or I have an YouTube channel. My father is a farmer. My hobbies are listening music, traveling, new places, writing. That's all about me.
Nice. Oh, that's really nice. So, miss, may I know like how long have you been learning English? And
Yes, sir. It has been 4 5 months learning English language.
okay,
I wanted to learn English language since my childhood when I was in 8th class, but recently I have started learning English language. Nowadays I take conversation video, this kind of things I am doing for improving my skills. Yes.
okay. So do you
So, sir,
talk every day with people, or like how do you
not,
practice?
not every day because I don't get time to connect with anyone every day. Whenever I get free time, I connect because I go to school. I am a private teacher. I forget to tell. I go to school for teaching and for learning English language, so I don't get much time for connecting every day. So whenever I get free time, I connect. Because
Same.
today I have connected with you because it is a holiday because it is Mahashivratri. So that's
Yeah, right.
why I was free. So I think that yes, I must connect with you today. So I message you.
Okay. Yeah, even I also be busy whole day because I'm also apart from my studying, also I'm teaching in a private school. So all the
That's
day I'll be busy. Yes, I'm also
means
very
we
busy.
are. I think we are working same work.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So I have some question that I wanted to
Okay.
ask you.
Okay.
So, sir, why did you think about learning English language, and since when have you been learning English language?
Yeah, it has been 1.5 year. And if I talk about my reason, then yeah, actually, English is very necessary for all of us. If you want to
Yes.
get higher education or if you want to get any good job, for that
Yes.
English is required a lot. You have to learn this language. And also there were some problem that I had faced in my life. That's why I thought let's learn this language. But the problem was that actually I had no idea like how to learn because I belong to a village, so there was no anyone who can guide me or like suggest me like how to start speaking or
In,
how to learn this language. So I started learning all alone by myself. I used to watch videos on YouTube, and
yes.
after that, when I had knowledge about this language, and then I started, talking in front of the mirror, and after that, I started talking in front of the camera, and I
Yes.
created a YouTube channel, and in that I started uploading my videos. And yeah, in this day I'm getting friends to talk with them. Also, I'm learning in this day. Yeah,
You are really a very hard working person because you have worked hard. So this time you are speaking very well, so I salute your work, because I am also a villager, so every villagers who are learning English language, they have to face this kind of problem, because in house and even in village there are no one who can guide me, who can support me. Even at my home nobody support me. So in spite of that, I am learning English language. I speak with myself, I because I know that yes, I can do it, so I have to do myself it. So this is the thing, means that I am doing.
Right, right. Great job that you are doing, Miss.
Yes,
Before a few years back, it was difficult for us to learn this language, but in this day, we have lot of facilities, right? There
yes,
are many applications, social media. Through that, we can connect whole world, or we can learn anything, whatever we want. Through social
yes.
media, we can get it. Yes. So,
In this day, if
this much
we,
I'm able to speak, or right now I'm connecting with you, or we are talking. So, only this became possible only with the help of phone or social media. Yes,
yes, because in this day, nobody want to help other person. We have to help ourselves. And if we have mobile, so we have best friend. We can learn everything from these mobile phones. I have been learning English language from my mobile phone. So I am able to express my thoughts. So, if in this day, if we say that I have no partner, I cannot learn English language, so it is very wrong. It is very
yes,
means it is excuse if we are saying like this, because
yes,
if
yes.
we have mobile means we have partner, we can learn anything.
Yeah, yeah. And also, you don't have money. There are many applications which is totally free. Freely you can
Yes,
use them, or you can
yes,
talk, or you can find whatever you want. Yes.
yes. So, sir, tell me something about you. In which school do you teach? In private school or government school?
Yeah, yeah. It is a private school. Yeah, just it is just situated near my village. It's
English medium,
just-
Hindi
yeah,
medium.
English medium. It is an English medium school, and
Okay,
I
so which
teach English
subject do
subject.
you teach?
English.
Okay, I
Yeah.
also teach
Uh,
English subject, and I
yes,
like mathematics. So I teach their maths and English language.
yes. Like I was very curious to learn this language. That's why also I started my learning journey. Spoken English, or also I started teaching in private school, class
Means you
one
are,
to five.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Means you are working three work in one time. You are studying. You have YouTube channel. You go to school. These three things I also do every day. So how do you manage this kind of means work? How do you manage? I want to know, because sometimes when I did not get for time for speaking English language, so I feel very frustration. How could I manage this all things? So I want to know, how do you manage this all things?
Yeah,
How do
you
you
have.
study? Because I think your exams is also going on. So how are you managing your YouTube channel, your school, your study?
Sometime, sometime I face problem because due to some work, I was not able to continue all the things. Sometime it
Yes,
happens, but yeah, if you have a strong determination, like I have to do this thing or that thing, then definitely you will get the time. Yes, yes.
yes, yes,
You will not waste your time to do any other kind of things, because you are very passionate to do. You have fixed any particular thing that this thing or that thing I have to do, I have to complete today. Yes.
yes, yes. I think you are very passionate about learning every work. You are very passionate about. So I
And
think.
we are farmers, so also I help my family, father. We do agriculture, we grow paddy, potato, all kind of vegetables as well.
So do you go farm? Because
Yes, yes, I
sometimes,
plow. I plow. I work in my field. All the things I do. Yes, because we
okay.
are farmer living in a village. You have to do all kind of works. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Because
My father is also a farmer. Sometimes I get time, so I go to farm for not for working. I just walk there. I just want to see means grown. So, sir, do you know how to drive tractor?
I haven't drive, but I know. Yes, other vehicles I have drive already, but tractor not. Yes.
Okay.
So,
So
Miss, what do you do in your free time whenever you have free time? What are the things that you like to do most?
yes, speaking English is my free time work. Whenever I get free time, just I speak English. I watch some English content video. Sometimes I listen some music that I like, and this kind of things I do. And I don't get much free time
Yeah,
in
yeah,
my
same
free
here.
time. I
Yes, yes.
try that. I always try in my free time. I always connect with stranger. So I want to use my free time always.
Yes. Yeah, we should always utilize our time, like
Yes,
for doing something. Yes, we should never waste our time because as we, invest in any thing like that, results we get from there, right? If you
yes,
will
yes.
invest your time to do any work, any goal that you have decided in the future that this thing I have to achieve, and definitely you will get good results from there.
Okay,
Do you,
so do you have any or other question?
okay, yeah, I want to ask like how we can be fluent in English. What are the most important thing that we should pay attention or we should work on it? Would you like to
But
suggest me?
yes, but now you are speaking very fluent English than me. So you tell me how can I be fluent in this language?
Oh,
Because I have watched your so many videos. In that video, you speak very fluent. So this question I should have asked you. So you have asked me. So tell me how can I be fluent in this language?
in my opinion, I would suggest only practice can make us perfect because this is what right now I am only because of practice. Yes, we should
Yes.
practice more and more every day. Yes,
Do your practice every day?
yeah, yeah. I try to connect every day, but due to some work, any day I'm unable to talk. But
Means whenever you get time, you try speak English language.
yes, yes, that's right.
Yes, yes.
And we should also watch. Yeah,
If
we
we
should
want to
also
speak
watch.
English,
Okay, okay, you continue.
if we want to speak English language, so we must speak every day. If we are not doing our speaking practice, so I can say we are not going to learn English language. So I have a question that I wanted to know: is grammar important for speaking English language or not?
Yeah, it's also very important because if you will not have knowledge about, then how will you speak? Yes,
Yes,
right now, whatever I'm able to speak only because of grammar, because I had knowledge about grammar, I have studied structure, verb forms, all kind of things. That's why I'm able to express because we have no, atmosphere. We are not surrounded with environment. So
yes,
here you will not hear or listen others because nobody speaks English. That's why grammar is necessary. We should read, study, so that we can start speaking on our own, right? Yeah,
yes, yes. But in
that's
my opinion, I think that grammar is not more important for speaking
yeah,
English
or
language.
not. Yes, but basic things are important. Yeah,
Yes,
these
yes, they're like tense, modals, verbs. So this kind of things, if we know, so we can easily translate our words in English language. So
right,
I
right.
think grammar is not more important for speaking language. Grammar is important if we are giving any exams. So there is grammar very important.
Yes, yes, yes.
But for speaking, this is not very important.
The main thing is that we have to, create environment. Yes,
Yes,
we must watch or listen more and more speakers, videos, so that we can learn from there.
yes.
Yes.
So which kind of videos do you watch for speaking, for improving your vocabulary, and which trainer do you follow? Who's trainer? Because I want to know. I
Yeah, there are many YouTube channels that I follow, like English with Dehati Ma'am, or also, there are more YouTube channels in that I watch. Well Institute, Well Talk
yes,
Institute, and some. news channels as well.
Did you hear about? Did you hear Joe's talk? Means their motivational video. I think before 2 days they uploaded.
What videos?
You follow Will Talk Institute.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So I think what his name, they have uploaded a motivational video. Do you watch or not?
No, no, I haven't watched.
That video is very inspirational video I have watched. So after watching that video I feel that yes, they have worked very hard, so I should work hard for learning English language, because they have worked hard, so that just because of working hard they have got this kind of opportunity. Because yes, so I i I just ask you one question.
Okay.
uh, in your family, anyone support you for learning English language or for anything? I
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to know.
My family always supports me for doing whatever I want to do. Always, they support me. Yes,
Okay.
all are with me. Yes, and nobody, tells me like you don't do this thing, that thing. Never, ever. Yes, always they are supporting me. So I'm very happy that I'm doing
Yes, yes.
according to my choice, whatever I like. I'm going through my passion, not according to others. So it's a every parent should like this, Yes,
No, you are not every parents, because if your family member supporting means you are very lucky person. Not every families. There
yeah,
are some parents, they don't want to support their children. Yes, they want to support their children, but they just stop them whatever they want to working.
yes, yes. Yeah, but in this point, like parents always support their children because their children they know like
Sometimes they stop
in
them.
which field they are taking interest. Like right, if you will pressure your children to do any other thing. So Miss, it was really nice talking to you. I really enjoyed a lot, and thanks for giving your precious time. And
Yes, yes,
really thanks a lot, and happy Mahashivratri.
yes, yes. So in the last, I want to say that thank you so much for giving me your valuable time, because I was really very excited to connect with you.